Hello everybody, I'm going to teach you how to quickly upload your own personal flashcards using a CSV format, which is an Excel or any spreadsheet format. This allows you to create your own cards without having to go through one by one and input them using the usual method, which might be you hit add and type in everything. I mean, that really takes a long time. So I'm going to teach you how to upload in mass, but still make your own cards. So let's get started. You're going to need, obviously, Anki, and you're going to need a spreadsheet program. I'm using LibreOffice. Excel will work perfectly fine. As long as it saves in a .csv format, you're good. So, first off, we need to format this spreadsheet correctly so that you can upload it. And that means we need to know what the headers are. So we're going to go into Tools, Manage Note Types, and select the note type you're going to upload automatically. I want the Japanese basic and reverse card, so I'll hit Fields. Now it shows me all the cards that all the headers in the right order that I want them. So I'm going to write these out in here. So it's English, Japanese, kanji, particle, te, mas, te. I wrote audio. Yep. And then the last column, whatever it is, write tag. So let's start filling this out. So now that's in this format, it should be much easier to type it. You don't have to hit enter. So, for first one is internet. So, internet. No, I wrote that wrong. Internet. Oops. Yeah, you can see my lovely skills. Neto. There you go. Internet. And there's nothing much else. Second one's painting, so and continue on and on and on. Fill out as much or as many of these fields as you need. At the end, make sure to add a tag. So I always add the chapter number as my tag. Use whatever tags you'd like. Okay, so let's go switch to a version that I fully completed. You can see tag and everything. Not everything needs to be filled out. That's fine. Okay, now it's time to save the file. So first of all, take the header and delete it. You can right click and then hit delete selected rows. If you know the shortcut, you can use that too. Now we're going to export, or you can actually hit save as, that'll work. So in Excel, you do the same thing. You just save as, scroll down to the formats, through the formats and hit text CSV. Make sure you don't hit like Macintosh CSV or something. And make sure to hit edit filter settings in LibreOffice, and I believe Excel will have the same option. We're going to save it actually to the right folder for me, which is oof, I'm sorry, getting caught up too much. There you go. Okay, hit save. Yes. Now, this will pop up because you selected the filter settings. So make sure that it says Unicode 8, UTF-8. That is for Japanese and Chinese and I guess some any other Asian languages, so that Anki can read it properly. Also for field delimiter, if you didn't use any commas in your whole sheet, you can use this, but I did, so I'm going to use tab. Just make sure that it's something you haven't used in any of the fields. So tabs is fine for me, and I didn't use the quotation mark. Save cell context shown, that's fine. Hit OK. So now it's saved properly with all the data we want. Now we're going to go back into Anki and upload it. It's pretty simple from here on out. Now we'll go to go to Tools, File, Import, hit the import field, and now this comes up. So make sure the type's correct. Japanese card, putting in the right deck itself. I really want it to be in vocab, or I can in Genki actually. Fields separated by tab. It automatically detects this usually, and then I usually put update existing notes when first field matches. So my first field is English, so if I have two things that say sweater, it's not going to create a second card with the exact same info. It'll just update it if it's different. So everything's mapped correctly, so you can see tags through English because we wrote them down in order, and hit import. Now it says 49 notes added, 0 notes updated, and 0 notes unchanged. That's awesome. Now, if you remember, I had this sound field that I left blank. So if you want to learn how to import sound automatically or very quickly through Anki using CSV, there should be a link in the description to help you with that. But otherwise, enjoy making your own cards without the headaches. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. See you later.